Hey guys, welcome back to Kitchen Vibes with me, Jorge. On today's episode, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make my easy, fluffy, and delicious buttermilk pancakes. You can have these in the mornings, you can have these for lunch, or even breakfast for dinner. How about that? So let's go! And here's what you need. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 2 cups of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. So now we're gonna be mixing the dry ingredients first. You're gonna now have your all-purpose flour, add your sugar, your baking powder, your kosher salt, and your baking soda. First, we're gonna mix this together. And once this is well combined, you're gonna now start with your wet ingredients, which is your 2 cups of buttermilk, your melted butter, your 1 egg, and your 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I usually do 1 teaspoon. You could go up to 1 tablespoon. It's up to you. I measure with my heart with this one. And then make sure everything is mixed together. And once you have that done, you're gonna now add your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients. What I like to do here is I like to create like a little well on the bottom of the bowl. I pour in my ingredients, my wet ingredients in. Okay. And now the trick to have the world's greatest buttermilk pancakes is to not overmix this batter. Make sure once you start to mix, you just want it to get barely combined. Because the issue with overmixing your pancake batter is that you're gonna have tough, deflated pancakes, and you don't want that. So combine them. See? And you're gonna see some lumps in your batter, which is fine. That's what you wanna see actually. Because if it's too combined, then again, you overmixed it. So this is where I'm actually gonna stop right now. And you're gonna see here that your batter is pretty thick. Once you have everything fully combined, you're gonna grab a ladle, your 12-inch nonstick skillet, a little bit of a neutral oil, which could be canola oil, avocado oil works too. So anything that's neutral. You're gonna turn on your stove to a medium low heat. Grab a piece of paper towel, dab the oil that you have here, and cover the skillet with it. Just basically wipe the skillet down with this oil while it's heating up. Once that's done, you're gonna check the temperature of the pan just to make sure it's getting hot. And I see right now it is. You're gonna grab 1 ladle and place it right in the middle of the pan. And now it's gonna stay in the pan for maybe 4 to 5 minutes until you start to see some bubbles on the outside of the pancake. One trick that I always like to do is I always like to peek under the pancake right before it's ready to be flipped over, just to be sure it's fully browned. And yes, these are big pancakes, but hey, they say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, right? So, and here's where you're gonna give it maybe a couple of more minutes until the other side gets fully cooked. So I'm gonna go grab a plate. Then, there you go. And now you continue the process. This recipe will be perfect for a weekend breakfast if you want. You could actually prep this the night before, keep it in the refrigerator, and the next morning you could just come out and cook this and it's already done for you. You'll be having a good breakfast in 10 minutes. Now that the last pancake has officially hit the plate, next steps is to drizzle your favorite syrup. Are you a heavy syrup pourer or are you a light syrup pourer? Let me know in the comments below. I like to drown my pancakes a little bit in syrup. And there you have it, folks. My easy, delicious buttermilk pancakes. Now that the pancakes are officially done, I have the perfect taste tester for this. Baby! Ooh, hey baby, how are you? Ooh, looking cute today. Look at you, looking real cute. All right, well today I made for you my world famous buttermilk pancakes. And I want you to give them a try.
Awesome, let me try. Oh my gosh, they are voluminous.
Yes.
So delicious, so comforting.
Yeah.
So good.
Just like me.
Yeah, I like pancakes. Did you hear me? I like pancakes. Yeah, I like pancakes.
All right, you guys, so let me know if you like this recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. See you next time.